Good morning everyone. I am Indu Bogche, Kendriya Vidyalaya Balaghat, TGT Maths. In online classes, today I am taking class 7th and my chapter is chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Students, we take in this chapter only addition and subtraction part of fractions. Students, we all know about fractions and we learned about fractions in class 6th. In this way, I just recall what is fraction and types of fractions. First, fraction. Fraction is a part of whole, and we denote fraction as a form of numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator, and upper portion of this line is called numerator and lower portion of this line is called denominator. And we read numerator as number and we read denominator as ordinal form. Like, I take one example of explaining this numerator and denominator. I take 2 by 3 and read this 2 by 3 2/3. 2/3. So 2, we read 2 as number and 3 as ordinal number, third. And students, I am going to types of fractions. I am not wasting time because you all already learned these things in class 6. I am just recalling it. Okay. So, types of fractions, and first type of fraction is proper fraction. Proper fraction. When numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. Examples are 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 3 by 11, etc. They all are example of proper fraction. And second type of fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Just opposite of proper fraction. Proper fraction is where when numerator is less than denominator, this is proper fraction. And improper fraction is when numerator is greater than denominator, it is improper fraction. And examples of improper fractions are 3 by 2, 7 by 3, 11 by 5, etc. They all are examples of improper fraction. Students, third type of fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the combination of complete number, it means whole number, and proper fraction. When we denote combination of proper fraction and whole number, so it is mixed fraction. And mixed fraction is nothing, it is the conversion of improper fraction. So 2, 1 by 3, 7, 2 by 5, They all are mixed fractions. Example of mixed fractions. I'm just told you mixed fraction is just conversion of improper fraction. Student, I want to change improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. First, I change improper fraction into mixed fraction. So I take example second, 7 by 3. My improper fraction is 7 by 3 and I want to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So first, we divide 7 from 3. 3 twos are 6. Remainder is 1. This 2 is quotient. This 1 is remainder. And this 3 is divisor. This is dividend. So, I write this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here I am writing quotient. Quotient is a complete number, whole number, and remainder we write here and divisor we write here. So 7 by 3 convert in mixed fraction. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. So 7 by 3 is an improper fraction and 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So first type of fraction is proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator. Second type of fraction is improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. And third type of fraction is mixed fraction where first part is whole number and second part is proper fraction. Students, you listen very carefully. In mixed fraction, first part is whole number not equal to 0. First part is natural number or whole number and second part is proper fraction, not improper fraction. Okay? If your answer will be improper fraction, second part, so it is wrong. So correct it. First part is whole number and second part is proper fraction. Should be proper fraction. Okay? Now I am taking like fraction and unlike fraction. Why we want to again learn about like fraction and unlike fraction? Because for addition and subtraction, this is very necessary. So, like fraction. You already learned about like fraction in class 6. Like fraction. Like fraction means when numerator of all the given fractions are same. So these all fractions are like fraction. 2 by 7, 9 by 7, 3 by 7, 11 by 7, 17 by 7. They all are like fractions. Doesn't matter fractions are proper fraction or improper fraction. But condition is all denominators are same. All denominators should be same. So this is example of like fraction. Second one is unlike fraction. Just opposite? No, not opposite. Same condition is if denominators are different. Denominators are not same. They are unlike fraction. by 2, 7 by 9, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 6 by 7. They all are example of unlike fraction. Here denominators are different. And doesn't matter fractions are improper fraction or fractions are proper fraction. I am taking another example of like fraction. This is first example of unlike fraction. Second example of unlike fraction is 5 by 3, 5 by 11, 5 by 2, 5 by 17. This is also example of unlike fraction. Here all numerators are same, but denominators are different. So this is the example of unlike fraction. So students, remember it. Like fraction where all the denominators are same. This is like fraction. And where all the denominators are different. This is the example of unlike fraction. So I hope you understand about proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. Now we are coming to addition and subtraction of fractions. First, addition of fractions. First, we take one example, example 1, where both given fractions are like fraction at 7 by 3 and 2 by 3. Both fractions are like fraction. It is very easy. We already learned about this type of addition in class 6 also, but I am repeating it again. So solution is 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Here denominators are same, so we are taking common denominator and just add the numerators 7 plus 2. So this is 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 by 3. We can write answer in the form of 9 by 3 or we can solve it also. So 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 3. Okay. And I want to take another example where given fractions are not like fraction. It means they are unlike fractions. And this addition is very important. So please see this side very carefully and learn about it very seriously. Okay. Second example. 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 and 7 by 3. Both are unlike fraction. Solution. Just write 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3. Where given fractions are unlike fraction, for this, first we convert both fractions into equivalent fraction. I just forgot, I think, about equivalent fraction. So, for this addition, I am just going into equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, suppose I am taking 2 by 5. 2 by 5 and we want to convert into equivalent fraction. So, we multiply with both in numerator and denominator with the same number. Suppose I take 3. So, we take we multiply 3 with the numerator and also with the denominator. So it becomes 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So 6 by 15 is equivalent to 2 by 5. And now 2 by 5 is our original number, original fraction number. Next equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 is, now we take another number. I take 4 here. If we multiply 4 with denominator, so we multiply with numerator with also 4. So it becomes 8 by 20. So 8 by 20 is also equivalent to 2 by 5. So for the requirement, according to question, we convert given fractions into equivalent fractions. So for this, when we want to add two unlike fractions, first we convert both fractions with the same denominators. So for this, first we find LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators means LCM of 5 and 3. So LCM of 5 and 3, right? You know 5 and 3 are prime numbers. And what is the LCM of prime numbers? Just multiply both the prime numbers. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. If given numbers are prime numbers, so LCM of both numbers is multiplication of both numbers. It is 15. It means our next equivalent fractions denominator is 15. So for making denominators 15 here and 15 here, 2 by 5, it will become 15. So 5 3s are 15. When we multiply with denominator 3, we also multiply with this 3 with numerator. And just I put sign here plus. And next one is 7 by 3. We again make this denominator 15. So 3 5s are 15. I am multiplying in this denominator with 5. So this 5 is also multiplied with this numerator 7. So it will become 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Plus 7 5s are 35 and 3 5s are 15. Now, say students, it becomes like fraction. It means both denominators are same. So it is very easy for addition. Now take common denominator and just add the numerators. 6 plus 35. 6 plus 35 is, I think, 41. Yes. So your answer is 41 by 15. So this is the addition of like fraction and unlike fraction. If given fractions are unlike fraction, first we convert both fractions or given fractions into like fraction with the help of finding the LCM of denominators. Students, I am taking different types of examples. This is like fraction and like fractions. Now I am taking another example. Example number 3. This is what? When we add two mixed fractions. So add 3 1 by 2 and 4 2 by 3. Now we want to add 3 1 by 2 and 4 2 by 3. Student, first you write down this sentence in the mathematical form. So 3 1 by 2 plus 4 2 by 3. Student, I think you know from class 6 how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. First, we convert both the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder. So, multiply divisor with quotient and add the product of this, add remainder of this product. So, 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Divide by 2. Here 3 4s are 12 plus remainder 2. Divide by divisor. It becomes 7 by 2 plus 14 by 3. So both mixed fractions convert into improper fraction. Now here we find both are unlike fraction. So first we convert from this example, first we convert both fraction into like fraction, then we add it. So for converting like fraction, we find the LCM of denominators means 2 and 3. Again both are prime numbers. Just multiply it. 2 3s are 6. So our new denominator will be 6. So for making denominator 6, we multiply 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6. So we multiply 3 in denominator. So we multiply by 3 with numerator also. Plus 14 by 3. Here again we convert this denominator 3 into 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 14 2s are 7. 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. Plus 14 2s are 28. Divide by 3 2s are 6. Now they are like fraction. Just take common denominator and add the numerators. 21 plus 28. This is 49 by 6. Now students, listen very carefully. Your question will be given in mixed fraction and this time your answer come in improper fraction. So just convert into mixed fraction. Okay. So 49 by 6 divide 49 by 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 and the remainder is 1. So your improper fraction will be 8 quotient, remainder I write here and divisor I write here. So your answer is 8 1 by 6. So addition of 3 1 by 2 and 4 2 by 3 is 8 1 by 6. I hope you understand how to add like fractions, unlike fractions and also mixed fractions. Now I am taking another example. This is example number 4 and we want to add one whole number with proper fraction, like fraction, improper fraction or mixed fraction. Students, add 4 and 2 by 5. It means 4 is whole number and 2 by 5 is proper fraction. For this, we can write 4 as 4 by 1 plus 2 by 5. Okay. Now both are unlike fractions. First we convert both into like fraction. So same process, LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. स्टूडेंट इसको सॉल्व करने के दो तरीके हो सकते हैं. एक तो हमने इसे 4/1 के फॉर्म में चेंज किया और 1 and 5 मींस डिनोमिनेटर्स का आपने एलसीएम लिया और आपका एलसीएम वही आएगा जो कि प्रॉपर या इम्प्रॉपर या मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में जो डिनोमिनेटर दिया जाता है वही नंबर आपका इसका एलसीएम होता है. इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी मैं समझाऊंगी आपको. पहले एक प्रोसेस जो आप अभी तक करते आए. सो 4 by 1 multiplied by 5 because one new denominator is 5. So we multiply 5 with also numerator plus 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5. No change in this denominator. So this is 20 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Denominators are same. We take common denominator and just add the numerators. So this is 22 by. Okay. So this is the addition of 4 and 2 by. अभी मैंने आपसे कहा मैं इसको सेकंड मेथड दिखाती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ देखिए मैं इसी एग्जाम्पल को लेके चलती हूँ. 4 plus 2 by 5. जब आपके पास ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं तब उसके लिए आप अगर आपके पास होल नंबर दिया है और दूसरा प्रॉपर या इम्प्रॉपर या फिक्स फ्रैक्शन उसमें जो डिनोमिनेटर दिया है उसी नंबर से आप इस कंप्लीट नंबर इस होल नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. You can write ये भी आपके लिए सही है प्लस 2 by 5. तो ऐसे ध्यान दीजिए. आप चाहे एक प्रोसेस अगर कीजिए चाहे इस तरीके से करिए दोनों भी आपके लिए सही है. सो दिस इज 20 by 5 2 by 5 सेम डिनोमिनेटर एक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर 20 plus 2 दिस इज 22 by. देखिए हम इसी स्टेप में आ चुके हैं. तो ध्यान रखेंगे इसके लिए जो आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ दिया है उसी डिनोमिनेटर वाले नंबर से आप इसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. बस कंडीशन आ जाती है. दोनों चीज वही है थोड़ा सा कहने का तरीका. नाउ वी टेक होल नंबर एंड mixed fraction 3 1 by 3. Same condition. First we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. First we want to write in mathematical form. So 3 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 10 by 3. Okay. Again you can adopt first method or second method. It's your choice. So I write this number is 3 by 1 and take LCM of 1 and 3. This is 3. So 3 by 1 multiply 3 with 3 plus 10 by 3 multiply 1 multiply 1. क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर्स क्या करना सेम लेना सेम बनाना है लाइक फ्रैक्शन में करना है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 1 था इसलिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. यहाँ पे 3 है इसलिए हमने 1 से मल्टीप्लाई. जिस नंबर से हम डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी नंबर से उसके न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. इस बात का ध्यान रखिए. 3 3s are 9 by 3 plus 10 1s are 10 by 3. Denominators are same, so take common denominator and add the numerators of both. So 19 by ये मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा है, अगर आपका क्वेश्चन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में दिया है तो आप आंसर को भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में लाने की कोशिश कीजिए। जस्ट डिवाइड इट 19 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Remainder is 1. So we write quotient here, remainder here, and divisor here. So the answer is 6 1. Student, this is addition part. Now I am going in subtraction. I am going in subtraction. Example. Addition and subtraction both are same thing, but sign is different. Here addition and we take here subtraction. Process वही रहेगी करने की. अगर denominator different है, तो पहले like fraction में convert करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद जब हम यहाँ पे add करते थे, तो subtract करना पड़ेगा. इतना ही फर्क है. बाकी चीजें नहीं. Now subtract 2 by 3 from 4 by 3. Both are like fraction. Okay? Student थोड़ा यहाँ ध्यान से देखिए. आप एडिशन में फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपने इस नंबर को पहले लिखा है या इस नंबर को पहले लिखा है. सब्ट्रैक्शन में फर्क पड़ता है. सब्ट्रैक्शन में आपसे कहा जा रहा है सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 by 3. मीन्स 2 by 3 को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 2 by 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फ्रॉम किससे करना है? 4 by 3. इट मीन्स जब आप इसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में, आपका 4 by 3 से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 2 by 3. इस बात का ध्यान रखिए. सब्ट्रैक्शन में बहुत जरूरी चीज है, अक्सर ये गलतियां होती है, इसका ध्यान रखिए. जिस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने कहा गया है वही नंबर माइनस साइन के बाद लिखा जाए. और जिससे फ्रॉम के बाद जो वर्ड आता है, जो नंबर आता है, उसे आप माइनस साइन के पहले लिखते हैं. इसका थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिए. नाउ बोथ आर लाइक फ्रैक्शन, नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट टेक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर and 4 minus 2. This is 2 by. Very easy. Now I am taking unlike fraction. Next example is I am taking from your book. Yes, here 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. So this is the question of your book, textbook, exercise 2.1. First question 7. फर्स्ट का 7 क्वेश्चन में दिया है. तो ध्यान से देखिए, ये दोनों नंबर्स जो आपके दिए हैं ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में है. फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट बोथ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 1 17 by minus 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Okay, and both are unlike fraction. So first we convert both fractions into like fraction. So for this, take LCM of 2 and 8. Friend, you know how to find the LCM of composite number with prime numbers. So for the regular form, write 2 and 8. जिन नंबर्स का हमको LCM फाइंड करना होता है आप ऐसे करते हैं. अगर कॉमन है, इवन नंबर्स है, तो आप स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करना शुरू करेंगे. 2 1s are 2 4s are. और ये डिवीजन तब तक चलेगा जब तक लास्ट में ये यहाँ पे 1 1 ना आ जाए सभी नंबर्स के बीच. again 2, 4 is even number, 1 and 2s are again 2, 1, 1. Abhi division complete. So just multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM of 2 and 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 means 8. LCM is 8. Okay. So your denominator will be 8. 17 by 2, 2 में हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 8 हो जाएगा, 2 4 8. जब यहाँ हमने डिनोमिनेटर में 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसी 4 से हमें न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. प्रोसेस वही है जो आपने एडिशन में -29 by 8. आपके पास यहाँ तक ऑलरेडी 8 है, इसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. आप चाहें तो इसे ऐसे ही लिख दीजिए या वैसे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. सो इट विल बिकम 17 4 सा, बताइए 17 4 सा 68. ओके, एंड -29 by 8. सो एक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है 68 minus 29. Just minus 18 minus 9, 9. 5 minus 2, 3, 39 by 8. मैंने आपसे कहा था कि अगर दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन आपका मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में है तो आपको आंसर भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में ही लिखना है. ठीक है, जैसे आप याद कीजिए 39 divided by 8. 8 4s are 30. 7 is remaining. So 4 7 by 8 is I hope students आपको एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रैक्शन का क्लियर होगा. कल हम फिर मिलेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन के साथ. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ और मंगलमय.